Adventists and some other religious groups. Last week, the Virginia GOP rejected a plea from 4 rabbis to let religious voters take part by absentee ballot. The Washington Post reports the state party's governing body voted unanimously.
Entertainment, talking about reopening trade at the moment, and we're seeing first quarter net revenue 1.7 billion. Now the market have been looking for exactly that 1.7 billion. That is a rise of 260% team. So this is a company that's starting to see people coming back, wanting to spend, wanting to enjoy themselves. Of course, first quarter adjusted EBITDA coming in at $548 million. We don't have what that is in terms of expectation versus estimates, but clearly we are seeing growth overall, Tim.
You mentioned adjusted EBITDA. We can't help it.
Oh, this guy just hit a pickup.
Already was in daycare there.
Right.
And, you know, it's important to, like, especially with me, like, I grew up in Wilmington, you know. It matters, like, to know these kids, to grow up with them, to do sports with them. Like, I want her to have
You're
the
okay?
same thing.
Yes.
Yeah, is this it? Is this the
Yeah,
new
this
Four
is one
Seasons?
Dalton. Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
You too.
This wokeness. When I retired, we were having to get inclusion training, diversity training, all of these different things to make us self-aware, supposedly. And
Okay, Presso.
people working together as one team. When you're in the military and part of
Do you
the
even look?
and I was both
Do you even look?
You know,
I
Steven
don't like
Tyler.
that.
Yeah. I like what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, as opposed to what happens here only happens here.
Name something in Vegas that can't happen nowhere. You can gamble.
Yeah.
You can get robbed by a prostitute.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. You can go see a show.
Yeah. Drive-through marriage.
You can get some free liquor.
In 1,000 feet, sharp left onto the US 23 South ramp to Ann Arbor.
I like the old saying, man.
Yeah, we don't want to replace it. Okay. All right, listen, we got more of the Steve Harvey Morning Show and some trending news coming
You
up at
marry
33.
prostitutes, you're going to have way more groomsmen than you was counting.
We'll be back
You
in
can get
33
it
minutes
alone
after
the
the
next
hour. Right after this. You're listening to the Steve Harvey Morning Show. In today's entertainment news, first Sagittarius celebrity birthdays today. Tyra Banks. Happy birthday, Tyra Banks. She is 45 years old.